Hello, good morning. Today in this video I'll be teaching you what to do when you receive your kefir grains. When you receive your kefir grains, empty the contents of the bottle into a strainer, this big size. Can be bigger but shouldn't be as small as the tea strainer, and the hole should be wider than what you have on a tea strainer, and it shouldn't be double layer, just a single layer. This is the one I have, but you can use the one with even little bit more wider hole, but it should be plastic, no metal. Grains in itself should not come in contact with metal. The drink can come, no problem, in contact with metal, but the grains itself should never be used with a metal. You can either use, to make your kefir, you can either use a glass jar or a plastic jar. So once you have emptied the contents into a strainer, tap it a little bit so that any liquid which is there should come down. And when you are only remaining with the grains, you put them in a glass jar or a plastic jar. I would be using a glass jar. To start with, because the kefir are used to of a certain kind of milk, and when I send them to you and they go into, you provide them with a different kind of milk, they take time to adapt to the new milk. So the best bet is to start your culture with using say 100 to 200 milliliter of milk. So it should be lukewarm, the milk should be lukewarm, and here I am putting around 200 milliliter of milk into the grains. I am straining the cream out so that it becomes easier to strain once the kefir drink is ready. This is around 200 milliliter of milk. You just close the lid loosely. It shouldn't be really tight, but if it is tight, it's no problem. And put it in a warm place, not hot place. And the milk is again lukewarm. And depending on the temperature, it may take 7 to 24 hours to get cultured. But if it is little bit milk, say 100 ml or 200 ml, it may well be ready within 7 to 8 hours. And once the culture is ready, it becomes thick. I'll show you. I have put another batch just to show you. If you see, this is already thick. It has started curdling. So this is the right time to strain. Strain the drink out. Again, the same way you empty the contents into the strainer and keep tapping till all the liquid kefir comes out and only the grains remain on the strainer. And once the milk is ready, once the kefir is ready, then you strain the grains, put again in another jar or plastic jar or glass jar, and put say 300 ml of milk this time. And this way you keep adding up in every next batch till you reach 1 liter. And over the time the grains would also multiply and grow. So at that time the milk would become very sour if you use like 1 liter of milk with say 3-4 tablespoons of milk very fast, because the grains are very active. So in that case you can keep some grains out. Just use 1 to 2 tablespoons for making 1 liter of drink, and keep it refrigerated or frozen or in freezer also. It's easier if you are going out for some days and you are not using the grains for say 7 to 10 days. What you can do is use a small plastic container or a small bottle and put like the grains and add 20-30 ml of milk in the grains and keep them in fridge. You can change every 7 to 10 days the milk, and the grains would be okay. That's all for now. Any questions, you can contact me at kefir.india@gmail.com, and see you soon with my next video on how to make water kefir drink. Thank you.